Imagine a world where your customer service never sleeps, never takes a break, and is always ready to assist. Is it a far-fetched dream or a near reality? Welcome to the dawn of a new era, an era where customer service is not just a department in your business, but a business within your business. In this modern business landscape, excellent customer service is not just an option, but a necessity. Now let's consider a tangible example from the real world. Amazon. The e-commerce giant has significantly improved its customer service by leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, using AI to personalize recommendations, streamline customer queries, and automate responses. Now imagine infusing this critical aspect of your business with the power of artificial intelligence. Picture chatbots that comprehend your customers' needs better than a human ever could. Virtual assistants that are available round the clock to solve problems and answer queries. Envisage a world where your customer service is not just efficient, but also proactive, predictive, and personalized. This is not a dream, but a reality we're moving towards with AI customer service. Welcome to the future of customer service. Welcome to the world of AI-enhanced customer experience. So, what exactly is AI in customer service? Let's unravel this question piece by piece. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a technology that mirrors human intelligence. Picture it as a simulated brain, proficient in learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and even language comprehension. Now, when we broach the subject of AI in customer service, we refer to utilizing these abilities to boost the customer experience. But how can businesses start integrating AI into their customer service? Firstly, by implementing chatbots. These are AI-powered programs contrived to converse with customers in a human-like manner. They can answer inquiries, furnish information, and troubleshoot issues, all in real time and without the requirement for human intervention. To start with, businesses can incorporate simple chatbots on their websites or social media pages to handle basic queries. Secondly, consider using virtual assistants. These are akin to chatbots, but with an added layer of virtual assistants, are capable of understanding natural language, which means they can grasp and respond to customer queries in the same way a human would. They can also learn from past interactions, constantly improving over time. Businesses can begin by integrating virtual assistants into their customer service platforms. They can start small, handling basic customer queries, and gradually increase their complexity as they learn and improve. However, the crucial point here is that AI in customer service doesn't aim to substitute humans with machines. Quite the contrary, it's about boosting the human element. AI manages routine and repetitive tasks, liberating human customer service reps to tackle more intricate and sensitive matters. It's about offering your customers the best of both worlds, the efficiency and accuracy of AI, and the empathy and understanding of a human. Therefore, AI in customer service is about employing technology to provide a more personalized, efficient, and satisfying customer experience. It's about making your customers feel esteemed, understood, and cared for. In today's cutthroat business environment, that's what differentiates a one-time customer from a loyal one. AI in customer service is not a replacement for human interaction, but a tool to enhance it. By beginning to integrate AI into your customer service, you can start reaping these benefits. Let's dive a little deeper into a real-life example. Amazon, a global powerhouse in e-commerce, has effectively tapped into the power of AI to elevate its customer service. When we think about Amazon, various things might spring to mind. Perhaps a gargantuan online marketplace? Or maybe a speedy delivery service? Without a doubt, these aspects form part of Amazon's identity. But fundamentally, Amazon is a technological titan, with AI forming a key tenet of its strategy. Consider Alexa, Amazon's voice-activated virtual assistant. Alexa is not merely a smart speaker, it's a revolutionary tool that redefines customer interaction with Amazon services. Want to order a product? Alexa can do it. Need to track a package? Alexa's got you covered. Feeling like listening to your favorite melody? Alexa will play it for you. All you have to do is ask. This intuitive interaction is a testament to AI in action, enhancing the customer experience by developing a personalized and interactive connection with customers. But Amazon's AI utilization doesn't end with Alexa. Have you ever received an email from Amazon containing product recommendations that eerily align with your past purchases or browsing history? That's AI flexing its predictive muscles. Amazon deploys machine learning algorithms to scrutinize customer data, and then accurately predicts products that might arrest your interest. This personalized marketing is a double-edged sword. It not only escalates sales, but also creates a sense of understanding and value among customers. What about inquiries to customer service? Amazon employs AI to automate email responses, furnishing customers with speedy and spot-on answers to their queries. This system is fueled by natural language processing, which comprehends the context of customer queries and formulates a fitting response. It's like having a customer service representative at your disposal 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. To expand on this further, Amazon has also made it possible to use AI to handle complex problems. For example, in the case of a customer losing a package, Amazon's AI can analyze the tracking data, assess the situation, and issue a refund if necessary. This reduces the workload of human customer service agents and speeds up the resolution process for customers. In these multifaceted ways, Amazon is harnessing AI to transform the customer experience. Amazon is not just vending products, but fostering relationships through the use of AI to understand, predict, and react to customer needs. So what can we glean from Amazon's success with AI in customer service? It indicates that AI is more than just a tech tool. It's a game changer that can create a more personalized, responsive, and engaging customer experience. Hence, Amazon's success with AI demonstrates the potential to revolutionize customer experience. Now, let's delve deep into Starbucks, a global brand that is innovatively blending artificial intelligence into its customer service experience. Starbucks, with its iconic green mermaid logo, has stirred AI into its business model, turning the coffee experience into something truly personal. A significant way they have integrated AI is through their virtual assistant, aptly named My Starbucks Barista. This AI assistant is no ordinary coffee server, but a sophisticated chatbot that uses voice recognition and direct messaging to take customer orders. Imagine this. You're in a rush, and there's a long line at your local Starbucks. You whip out your phone, open the Starbucks app, and instruct your virtual barista exactly what you need. Easy, isn't it? But the magic of AI doesn't stop here. The virtual assistant learns from each interaction, remembering your preferences for future orders, and even making personalized beverage recommendations based on your past orders. Starbucks has also developed an intelligent system named Deep Brew. This is a step above just assisting customers with their orders. Deep Brew uses machine learning to analyze data and make a range of operational decisions. It helps in managing the inventory of each Starbucks store, predicting the requirement of supplies before they run out. Deep Brew also aids in planning optimal work schedules for baristas based on predicted customer traffic, contributing to efficient store management. Furthermore, it uses customer data to suggest personalized offers, enhancing not just the customer experience, but also loyalty and satisfaction. What sets Starbucks' use of AI apart is how it fits effortlessly into the customer journey. It doesn't feel like an intrusion or a gimmick, like having a personal barista who knows your coffee preferences by heart. Starbucks' integration of AI extends beyond merely boosting swiftness and convenience. It's about personalization. It's about making every customer feel valued, acknowledged, and remembered. Starbucks is a shining example of how AI can transform customer service. The technology doesn't strip away the human touch, it augments it, making each interaction more meaningful and personal. The charm of AI in customer service is not just about automation or efficiency, as essential as they are. It's about enhancing the human connection, making every interaction matter. In essence, Starbucks illustrates that AI can truly personalize the customer experience, adding an exclusive touch to each customer interaction. So, what are the benefits of integrating AI into your customer service? Let's delve right into this fascinating topic. Also, let me remind you to check out www.doublediamoni.com, www.doublediamoni.com, for more insights on AI's role in business. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more enlightening content. Now, imagine a world where your customer service never sleeps. AI provides round-the-clock availability, ensuring that customer queries are addressed at all hours. To achieve this, consider implementing a chatbot on your website or social media platforms. No need for the midnight oil, caffeine-charged all-nighters. AI doesn't need sleep, holidays, or even lunch breaks. It's there, ready to your customers 24/7. It's not only about being awake all the time, but it's also about efficiency. AI can handle multiple queries simultaneously, something that even the most seasoned customer service rep would struggle with. Consider using AI-powered customer service tools that can handle multiple customer interactions at once. This means faster response times, which can significantly improve customer satisfaction. Let's talk about cost efficiency. With AI, you can reduce the need for a large customer service team, saving on hiring, training, and salary expenses. A practical tip here is to make use of AI to automate routine inquiries, freeing your human agents to tackle more complex issues. About letting AI handle the routine and repetitive tasks, freeing up your team to handle more complex and value-added tasks. Now, in an era where personalization is king, AI steps up the game. Using machine learning algorithms, AI can analyze customer data to provide highly personalized experiences. Leverage CRM systems integrated with AI to track and analyze customer behavior for personalized service. It can recommend products based on past purchases, remind customers about items left in their cart, or even anticipate their needs before they do. This level of personalization can make your customers feel special and valued, which is key to building loyalty and trust. But we can't forget about consistency. With AI, you can ensure a consistent level of service, regardless of the time of day, the number of customers, or the complexity of queries. Employ AI tools that standardize responses to maintain consistency in your service. Can significantly enhance your brand's reputation and trustworthiness in the eyes of your customers. Lastly, AI can provide invaluable insights from the data it collects. Use AI-powered analytics tools to understand these insights to make informed decisions. The benefits of AI in customer service are clear and compelling. It's an investment that can truly pay off. So, why not consider integrating AI into your customer service strategy? It might just be the game changer you've been looking for. With these practical tips, you can start harnessing the power of AI today. Implementing AI in your customer service might seem like a daunting task, but worry no more. Here's a comprehensive step-by-step guide to make the process smoother. Step 1. Identify your needs, you might ask. How can I apply AI in my business? Start off by identifying what areas of your customer service could use an AI boost. It could be a call center struggling with excessive inquiries or an email system that's slow in responding. Identifying these problem areas is the first step to finding the right AI solution. Step 2. Choose the right AI technology. There's a vast array of AI tools available, such as chatbots for customer queries or virtual assistants for scheduling appointments. Do your research. Compare the features and costs of different tools, and pick the one that's the perfect fit for your needs and budget. Step 3. Train your staff. The people who would be working with this new technology daily are your staff. It's essential to equip them with the necessary training to use the AI tools efficiently. Step 4. Integrate with existing systems. The AI technology you choose should merge seamlessly with your current tech stack. This would ensure a hassle-free transition and prevent any service disruptions. Step 5. Test your AI system. Once your AI system is in place, it's time to test it out. Start with a small customer group or a specific service area. Monitor its performance, gather feedback, and fine-tune as needed. Step 6. Keep the human touch. Even though AI can handle many tasks, some elements still require a human touch. Ensure your customers know they can always reach a human representative when needed. Step 7. Stay updated. The world of AI keeps evolving, with new tools and features coming up all the time. Staying current will help you maximize the potential benefits and retain top-notch customer service. Implementing AI in your customer service, though challenging, can be a game-changing move. It's all about elevating the customer experience and boosting your business efficiency. So, why not give it a shot? The results might just surprise you. AI is not just a trend, but a powerful tool that can transform your customer service. As we conclude this enlightening journey, let's take a step back to recap the main topics we've explored. We've seen how AI is fundamentally customer service, with industry giants like Amazon and Starbucks blazing the trail. With their innovative use of chatbots and virtual assistants, they've demonstrated how to amplify customer experience while optimizing operations. We also delved into the vast array of benefits that AI brings to customer service, from delivering 24/7 support and bespoke service to effectively managing large volumes of inquiries. But perhaps most crucially, we've examined how you can incorporate AI in your own business, touching on aspects like pinpointing needs, selecting the right technology, and training your personnel. The evidence is undeniable. AI is revolutionizing the customer service realm. The future of customer service is here, and it's powered by AI. Are you ready to embrace it? Don't wait any longer. It's time for your business to harness the power of AI and redefine your customer service. Step into the future today.